Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very happy to announce that we are going to start with the educational videos also. And definitely that will benefit the students. We are going to start with the TYBcom because as you know it's very important year, the graduation year, the whole life, the whole rest of the career depends on it. Two subjects first we'll take. Those two subjects are Indian and Global Economic Development and Business Regulatory Framework, which is actually for Pune University, but even other universities have the similar topics. So friends, I'm sure you would like it. We have framed it in such a way that we complete first semester portion within 12 hours, which will save your time. We are going to provide you the notes with beautiful charts. That will be definitely easy to understand. And when it is easy to understand, I feel that as a teacher, I know the students loves to read the subject. They feel more interesting. My life is spent as a teacher for 45 years, a very long journey as a teacher. Thousands of students I have taught, but now I want whatever little knowledge I have to help the students and to excel themselves. So I'm going to provide you my best, and definitely you all will find it very interesting. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.